Welcome. If you've ever wanted to connect with your friends or family all at once, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a video call with a group on Messenger using the latest updated steps. Whether you're planning a virtual hangout, a study session, or just want to see everyone's faces, Messenger makes it super easy. First things first, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. If you don't have it yet, you can quickly download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, take a look at your chat list, scroll through and tap on the group chat you want to video call. If you don't have a group yet, you can easily create one by tapping the pencil icon, selecting Create a New Group, and adding your friends. But if your group already exists, just tap on it to open the conversation. At the top right corner of your group chat screen, you'll see a camera icon. This is your gateway to starting a group video call. Go ahead and tap that camera icon. Messenger will instantly start ringing everyone in the group, letting them know you want to start a video call. As your friends join, you'll see their faces pop up on your screen. You can chat, laugh, and catch up just like you're all in the same room. Messenger also gives you some fun features during the call, like filters and effects, so feel free to get creative and make your call even more memorable. And that's it. Making a group video call on Messenger is really that simple. Just open the app, tap on your group, and hit the camera icon. In seconds, you'll be connected with everyone, no matter where they are in the world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.